Seshh 21. What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Seshh 21 back with another video, and today we got the C63 AMG out today in this beautiful sunset, and you're just gonna be coming along with me for a quick ride along as we listen to some 6.2 liter V8, because you can't go wrong with that. And quick little walk around intro of the car for you guys. If you guys haven't been seeing the recent videos, we did a little bit of changes. We got a new set of carbon side sills on the car, as you can see there, to match up with the carbon fiber rear diffuser and that carbon front lip. And this sunset is definitely doing the car a bunch of favors right now, giving us that sleek look with that carbon fiber. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This car is absolutely gorgeous. I can't really get enough of it. It's always hard to choose between taking this, the E92 M3, or my big turbo G35, but it was a little easier today because the C63 was clean, M3 was dirty, and the G's got no motor in it. So we went with this for sure today. One thing I noticed with this car is it takes a while for the exhaust to get really hot, and then the real depth of that exhaust system comes out. It's almost when the exhaust is cold, it has a little bit more of a hollower tone, maybe a little bit more metallic or tinny, but as soon as it gets hot, my God, does this beast come alive. Like that right there, that loaded fourth gear, it doesn't have the depth yet. thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.